This is the elevator 5451 Merwin Lane at Knowledge Park at Penn State Behrend in Harborcreek Township, Pennsylvania. This is a Dover Seelar Oildraulic Impulse. It has a 2-speed door and a hospital-sized cab, unlike the one in the conference center building, which had a regular cab with a single slide opening door. It's kind of dark in here. Got the 2. Here you go up. Here 2. The right side row came off. Go back down to 1. Thyssen help link. It's the same basic laminate cab as at the conference center building, except this one's a hospital-sized cab. Certificate installed in 2000. I think the one in the conference center is from 1999. Here back at 1. Escape hatch is loose. That's going to be it. This elevator is also in a weird spot. It's like in the side back of the building. You have to go through a bunch of doors.